This is a War Brief Daily for May 20th, covering the Iran and wider Middle East theater. Tonight we are tracking 5 confirmed developments. President Trump places a scheduled U.S. strike on Iran on hold. A drone penetrates UAE air defenses and strikes the perimeter of a nuclear power plant. Israeli naval forces seize a 50-vessel flotilla in international waters. The IDF conducts over 70 strikes on Hezbollah targets in Lebanon. And Israeli ground forces push deeper into Gaza. Update 1. Confirmed. President Trump announced he is placing a planned U.S. military strike on Iran on hold. Gulf leaders from Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE personally asked him to stand down while negotiations continue. Iran transmitted a peace proposal through Pakistan. Trump called a deal very possible. Now, the critical distinction. This is a pause, not a cancellation. The U.S. military buildup in the region remains fully in place. No forces have stood down. Iran's foreign ministry simultaneously declared its nuclear enrichment rights, quote, non-negotiable. The diplomatic track is active. It is also extremely narrow. Update 2. Confirmed strike. Attribution still emerging. 3 drones entered UAE airspace from the western border. Air defenses intercepted 2. The third struck an electrical generator outside the perimeter of the Baraka nuclear power plant in Abu Dhabi, the Arab world's first commercial nuclear facility. A fire ignited and was extinguished. The Federal Authority for Nuclear Regulation confirmed no radiation release. The IAEA confirmed radiation levels remain safe. No group has claimed responsibility. The investigation is open. The core takeaway: a drone reached the perimeter of a nuclear power plant. Civilian nuclear infrastructure across the Gulf is now demonstrably inside the targeting envelope. Update 3. Confirmed. Israeli naval forces intercepted the global Samud flotilla approximately 250 nautical miles off Gaza in international waters. The flotilla carried 319 activists from dozens of countries across more than 50 vessels. At least 100 have been detained and are being escorted to Ashdod. Turkey condemned the operation directly. One of its vessels was involved. Turkey is a NATO member. Multiple governments are urgently seeking information on detained citizens. This will compound over the next 48 hours. Update 4. Confirmed with ongoing reporting. The IDF struck over 70 Hezbollah targets in southern Lebanon overnight. An Israeli military reservist was killed in a Hezbollah drone attack near the border, confirmed by the IDF. A strike in the Baalbek area reportedly killed a senior Palestinian Islamic Jihad commander. Lebanese state media reports this, still emerging in full detail. The northern front remains active. Update 5. Confirmed. Inside Gaza, IDF engineering units destroyed 2 tunnel routes totaling roughly 2 kilometers, seizing weapons in the process. IDF forces also struck repositioning elements of Hamas's elite Nukba force. Prime Minister Netanyahu claimed Israeli forces now control approximately 60% of the Gaza Strip, territory extending beyond last October's ceasefire boundaries. On the maritime domain, no confirmed Houthi strike or shipping incident has been reported in this 24-hour window. That silence is operationally notable. If Houthi restraint is coordinated, it may reflect deliberate signaling from Tehran. This is an early assessment, not confirmed. Watch next. Iran's response to Trump's pause. Formal attribution of the Baraka drone strike, the diplomatic fallout from the flotilla seizure, and any new posture orders for U.S. forces in the region. That is your War Brief Daily for May 20th.